Looking for the best macerating toilet? It can feel like there are too many options out there, but don't worry. I'll help you pick the right one for your space and needs. Understanding macerating toilet. Before diving into how to pick the best one, let's first understand what a macerating toilet actually is. Simply put, it's a toilet that grinds waste into a slurry and then pumps it through smaller pipes to your home's main sewer or septic system. Macerating toilets shine in places where traditional toilets can't go, like basements, attics, or remote spaces. The magic lies in the macerator pump and smaller discharge pipes, which let you set up a bathroom almost anywhere, even in areas with low or no gravity flow. Key factors to consider. First, installation location. Where are you installing your toilet? The location will largely determine the model you need. If you're setting up in a basement or attic, choose a toilet that can pump waste over longer distances or vertical heights. Some models can pump waste up to 15 feet vertically or 150 feet horizontally, perfect for remote spaces. 2. Performance and pumping capacity. Not all macerating toilets have the same pumping power. Make sure to check the motor's horsepower and the pump's capacity. If you're installing multiple bathrooms or need more power for challenging waste disposal, opt for a stronger motor. A higher horsepower motor ensures smooth waste management, especially in larger or multi-bathroom setups. 3. Water efficiency. Interested in saving water? Look for a dual flush model. These toilets allow you to use a full flush for solids and a half flush for liquids, helping you save water without sacrificing performance. It's a simple yet effective feature that's great for eco-conscious homeowners. 4. Design and space requirement. Space matters. If your bathroom is tight or you're limited in square footage, consider a compact model. Tankless and self-contained units are designed for small spaces and offer effective performance while saving valuable room. 5. Noise level. Nobody wants a noisy toilet, especially if it's in a living space or close to bedroom. Some macerating toilets can be loud due to the grinding mechanism, so choose a quieter model if noise is a concern. Look for customer reviews or check if noise reduction features are included in the model. 6. Maintenance and durability. Like any appliance, a macerating toilet needs maintenance. Some models offer easy access to parts, which makes cleaning and servicing a breeze. Choose a durable model with high-quality materials to ensure longevity and avoid constant repairs. Siedme budget. Upfront costs for macerating toilets can be higher than traditional models, but they may save you money in the long run by avoiding expensive plumbing renovations. It's essential to compare prices across different models, keeping in mind that a reliable unit will save you from costly repairs down the road. 8. Brand and warranty. When buying a macerating toilet, don't just go for the cheapest option. Reputation matters. Choose brands with a proven track record. Check customer reviews and select models with solid warranties, giving you peace of mind in case of any issues down the line. Common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong macerating toilet can lead to headaches, so watch out for common mistakes. A major one is picking a model with insufficient pumping capacity. If the pump isn't strong enough, it won't effectively move waste or water. Noise is another common issue. Don't forget to check reviews for noise levels if you're placing the toilet in a quiet area. Also, maintenance can be a hassle if you choose a model with difficult-to-reach parts, so prioritize easy access for cleaning and repairs. Finally, while it's tempting to go for a cheaper option, always consider the long-term value of a durable, efficient toilet over upfront cost. Recommendations for specific needs. For smaller spaces, look for a compact model such as a tankless or self-contained unit. These models are perfect for tight corners without sacrificing functionality. If you plan to use the toilet frequently, prioritize models with a higher motor horsepower to handle constant use. For eco-friendly homes, opt for a dual flush macerating toilet to reduce water consumption while maintaining excellent performance. In conclusion, choosing the best macerating toilet comes down to your installation space, performance needs, design preferences, and budget. Do your research, take your time, and consult a plumber for expert advice when needed.